Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI search function within Monica's web extension. So I've got Google Chrome open here and I'm going to press Ctrl M on my keyboard to quickly open the UI interface. So once that's done, we can go ahead and click on more here at the left side or hover over it, and you should see a few tools. And we're going to click on the search tool for now. And here we're going to type in something like, what are the pros and cons of remote first hiring in 2026? So that's just a random search query I thought of. And right now it's generating an answer. So the difference between using the standard search engines versus this AI engine, this AI search tool, is that generally Monica will already have an answer for you versus if you use the standard search engine, you're going to have to filter through all these websites and gather information before making a conclusion. But Monica speeds this process up by doing all of that for you. So as you can see here, it says based on 10 sources, it has given us a list of the pros and the cons of remote first hiring. So for comparison, if we were to copy this and type this into a standard Google search, usually what happens is you're going to see a long list of different websites with different information on the topic. So right now there are definitely some features that Google has that tries to or that does a similar thing, but these aren't always that accurate. So generally, you're going to receive much better results when you use the AI search tool within Monica. So this is great if you're doing a lot of heavy research. Maybe you're doing something related to the academe, or you're working on a personal project and just need a reliable source of information. Also, additionally, at the ends of your queries, Monica also likes to give you related questions, and these are questions that are related to your topic, which will more or less show you other relevant information that you probably should take note of. For example, here, what are the key trends in remote work, how to prepare for a remote first job interview, and what technologies are enhancing remote work experiences in 2026. So this just helps you expand and creates a sort of pathway for you to explore different avenues of information versus the standard AI response when using the Google search engine. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.